Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on adjusting the Conga 1990. In this video, we will guide you through the necessary steps to ensure your device is functioning perfectly. Let's get started with the tools you will need. Firstly, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a set of spanners, and a soft cloth for cleaning. These tools are essential for accessing the internal components of your Conga 1990. Begin by turning off the device and unplugging it from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure you take this precaution before proceeding. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the Conga 1990. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the back panel is removed, you will have access to the internal components. It's important to keep this area clean, so use your soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This will not only improve performance, but also prolong the life of your device. Now let's focus on the adjustment process. Check the motor and ensure that it is securely fastened. If you notice any loose connections, use your spanners to tighten them. This is crucial for maintaining optimal functionality. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have peace of mind knowing that help is just a call away. Next, inspect the brushes. These are vital for the cleaning performance of your Conga 1990. If they appear worn or damaged, it's advisable to replace them. You can find replacement brushes online or at your local hardware store. Before making any repairs, we always provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. After addressing the brushes, check the wheels for any obstructions. Sometimes, hair or debris can get caught, affecting mobility. Clear any blockages you find. This simple step can significantly enhance the performance of your device. Once you have completed these adjustments, it's time to reassemble the back panel. Align it carefully and replace the screws you set aside earlier. Ensure they are tightened securely, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this can cause damage. Finally, plug the device back in and turn it on. Observe its performance to ensure everything is functioning as expected. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team is here to assist you with any concerns you may have. In summary, adjusting your Conga 1990 involves a few simple steps: gathering the right tools, cleaning the internal components, checking the motor and brushes, and ensuring everything is securely fastened. By following these steps, you can maintain your device's performance and longevity. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your Conga 1990 experience. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.